For International Pie Day, I will be making a strawberry cheese cream pie. So we will need a graham pie crust, a quarter cup of sugar, 8 ounces of Cool Whip, a cup of freshly cut strawberries, 8 ounces of Philadelphia cheese, and 12.7 ounces of glaze for the strawberries. So to start things off, we want to go ahead and add your Philadelphia cheese and your quarter cup of sugar to the mix. And you want to go ahead and mix those together until it turns into a paste. After you have your paste, you want to go ahead and add the Cool Whip to the cream cheese mixture, and you want to go ahead and mix all that in until it turns soft. Now, when you have everything softened and ready to go, you go ahead and pour it into the 9-inch pie crust. So in a separate bowl, you want to go ahead and mix your strawberries and glaze. And once you have everything mixed together, you're going to go ahead and add that on top of the cream cheese. Once you have your pie ready, you can go ahead and throw it in the refrigerator for 3 hours. Once it has been refrigerated for the 3 hours, you can go ahead and take it out and enjoy it. We can use pie to cut your pie. In order to cut your pie in fourths, you can cut your pie at 1.571 radians, also known as 90 degrees. Or if you like the more traditional 8 slices of pie, then you can cut your pie at 0.785 radian, or most commonly known as 45 degrees. Happy Pie Day! Enjoy your pie!